Hello my friends, we are here again for a science video and I'm excited about this one. It's going to be one that is mostly about observations, which means that you're looking at it to see what happens and noticing the things that happen and change. So really put those thinking caps on and see what you observe in our science experiment. Alright, so I'm going to put my camera down so you can see exactly what we need and what we're going to do. Are you ready? Alright. So here are some of the things that we need. You're going to need, let's see if you can see it better. I'll scoot it. My makeshift camera holder. Okay, you're going to need 3 glasses or cups, whatever you have, and just you're going to fill that with water. And then in the 4th glass, you need to fill that with oil. Okay, so I'm going to put some water in my glasses. It doesn't need to be a ton of water, just a little bit. You just need a little bit. And then what you're going to do is you are going to take food coloring and put 1 color in each of the water containers, okay? Doesn't need to be a ton, just a little bit. So there's my red color. I always love what happens when it spreads out. Then I'll do blue. And then we'll do a green. Ooh, that would look cool. Okay, now what you'll also need is a straw, okay? So you might have one left over, maybe you have a reusable one. We have tons of straws from when we get takeout or if we go to get a big drink in the morning from Bojangles or McDonald's. You know Miss Burnhill loves a big Diet Coke. All right, so I have my food coloring water and then I have my oil. And so what we're gonna see is what happens when we take little drops of the colors of water and put it inside the oil, okay? So a fancy way you can get the water is taking your finger and putting it over the straw. So when you put your hand in there, put your finger over the straw and pull it up and see now I have green in my straw. And we don't need a ton, so I might let a little bit out, but see how it comes out in drops? That's exactly what we want. Okay, so look, we're gonna watch what happens when I put a drop of water in the oil. Maybe. Oh, look what happens. It just makes a bubble. Okay, let's see what happens with a different color. I did red this time. Oh, I did some more. Look, they're kind of like bubbles in there. Isn't that so neat? Okay, now we're gonna add some blue. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? So it ends up looking like there's little balls and beads in my oil. And you can do it all the different colors and see what you notice happens. Oh my gosh, I think it looks so cool. So that's my science experiment for today. See what happens when you take oil and put colored water in there. Even if I shake it up, they're still going to stay in their little separate little bubbles. It's so cool. All right, friends, I hope you enjoy it. Tell me 3 things that you notice. Oops, sorry. 3 things that you notice in the observation, whether you watch it on my screen or you do it at home on your own. Tell me 3 things you notice. All right, put it on Seesaw. I love you. I can't wait to see what you notice. Be awesome.